have just arrived at our next campsite. It's in the North Coast of KZN, and we're at a campsite that's part of the nature reserve. So we spent a week in Durban, and we had some time to get some new improvements and upgrades to our living situation. So looking forward to showing you that.
Hello Soul family! It's been a while. We've been busy in the city, but it's time for our amazing van life again now. And look how we've upgraded our situation. First time we set it up, our gazebo, and it went so smoothly. We didn't even curse at each other once. It was such a first time succeeding job.
So we are almost finished setting up, and it's getting dark, so it's perfect timing. I just want to show you how cool it is to have this undercover area. When it's raining, we're going to have a dry, warm space to chill. This is our campsite at night. We're making dinner. Tina's our chopper. Chopping. And got our mobile kitchen set up, got the onions frying and butternut and potato. Our bed is set up and ready for the night. We've got power that is powering our fan, which is so helpful in this heat that we're experiencing. You can see Tina at night is just got a light dress on, and I'm in baggies.
People in Belgium won't know what baggies are.
And I'm in swimming pants.
Wow.
So many colors. Our morning visitors.
Yeah, how gorgeous.
So we're going to go on a hike this morning, and we've packed up our car. All these monkeys around, we need to make sure everything is packed away and there's no food out, because they are notorious for just making such a mess. So one of the things we love the most about this lifestyle is that we basically sleep in nature, wake up in nature, and then we just have to walk 5 minutes and we're in
on a trail.
On a trail in the bush. So we're gonna walk along the closest path now. That's where it starts.
So nice and refreshing. It's so much hotter at sea level than up in the mountains. It was quite cold often, but here it's like sweltering hot. Got ourselves some new hats. It said Wildebeest and my last name is De Wilde, so I was like, I need to get it. And Dylan has a matching one. Wildebeest, elke man zijn natuur.
This is looking so good. I just wanted to get a shot of it. Look at all these colors. Chin squash. Time to eat.
Yummy! Good morning, Soul Family. For some reason I woke up so early this morning, like 4:30, and I couldn't sleep anymore. And I saw that it was getting a bit light outside. I just felt the calling to go sit by the ocean and look at the sunrise. Just in time. Wow. Wow, that was so incredibly beautiful. This planet that we have the honor to live on, to inhabit, is the biggest miracle of all. Nature is so incredible. All the animals, the plants, the oceans, the amazing sun. Like, how is this all possible? After that delicious morning, watching the sunrise, I have reunited with my love. And we are going on a beautiful walk to the raffia palm forest. That's gonna be exciting.
So we've arrived at the mangrove swamp and we're really excited because the last time we were here
We saw dancing crabs. It was amazing. They were all like dancing in the exact same movements at the same time with their little thingies. Claw. They were all like in a circle around the middle point that was clear. So it was so like magical and interesting.
It looked like a ceremony. So we're hoping to see the same thing again and capture it. So all these little holes that you see are crab homes.
We found crabbies dancing.
We found them.
Not as many as the last time, but we might still come across bigger groups.
Yeah. You can see how strange it is. They all move at the same time. Like a coordinated ritual.
You make a pattern.
Okay, we found a bigger group. How strange is this? Haha, the fiddler crab. Okay, it says they are waving to attract a female and to intimidate other males. There are often fights between rival males. Wow, so that's their little ceremony. So we really enjoyed our hike today. We got back and took the rest of the day off, chilled, relaxed. We're making some food now. It's getting dark and it's our last night at Mtunzini. It's been really beautiful and we're looking forward to moving on to our next pit stop. We're looking forward to it.
Good morning! I'm on my way to the toilet now and I saw something in the distance that I think is quite interesting to show you. We're all packed up and ready to leave Mtunzini campsite. We've had a lovely stay by the jungle and the sea. So beautiful.